Do you do one or all of these bad habits when it comes to cleaning your home? Stay tuned. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, where we help you set the stage at home, at work, and in life. If you're new to the channel, hello! Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you know when I upload a new video. Today, I wanted to tackle some bad habits you may be doing when it comes to cleaning. The first bad habit many do is start their cleaning routine at eye level or lower. That means anything in the room above doesn't get cleaned as often, if at all. And this is a huge no-no. When cleaning, you want to start by tackling the top of the room, including lighting, fans, walls, artwork, and anything else collecting dust high above. As the law of gravity suggests, what goes up must come down, and you'll be doing double the work if you start by cleaning the floor first rather than the ceiling. On that same note, save yourself some effort by dusting before you vacuum. When cleaning a room from the top down, it's best to dust first to remove dirt off of surfaces. The dust lands on the floor, where it can then be vacuumed away. And make sure to use a clean duster rather than an old one that's no longer trapping dust, rather than just pushing it around. That leads us to habit number 3. Who here has been cleaning with dirty cleaning tools? If your vacuum is filled with dust, it won't do a good job sucking up debris. A dirty sponge simply pushes around more bacteria. That's why it's important to take the time to thoroughly clean tools after every use by emptying completely or washing it in hot water and adding a disinfectant. You may also have to replace with new tools or parts over time. How about, do you let paper clutter build up? Bills, mail, magazines, newspapers, school papers, and projects tend to take up space on surfaces, especially if you don't have a designated space for the paper coming into the home. At least once a week, sort through and complete the needed action, file important paperwork, or toss it away. Man, this is one of my pet peeves. Do you leave dirty dishes in the sink? How much more time would it take to put that dirty glass in the dishwasher instead of the sink? Leaving dirty dishes in the sink is the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. It starts to smell over time, and you could attract insects or worse. Train everyone in the household early on to either put the dishes in the dishwasher or wash them immediately. No excuses. You'll thank me later. A bonus bad habit that can have a major impact is leaving your bed unmade. It's been studied that making the bed each morning is a habit that will promote keeping the rest of the room and potentially even your entire house more organized. We'd love to hear if you have a bad cleaning habit that you're ready to take control of. And of course, if you're looking for more home cleaning tips, make sure you go check out this video next. Don't forget to subscribe and visit us at ToriToth.com. Happy cleaning!